What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I have these two cases from Poetic. So pretty much these are the exact same case. One has MagSafe and one doesn't. So this one here is the Poetic Neon Mag Pro MagSafe. This is the Poetic Neon for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first, let's do the one without the MagSafe. So pretty much it's just case that's neon with neon orange. This is a two-part case, so you get your rubber in the inside, hard shell on the outside, and it says Poetic. You get some grip, you get a nice little orange outline. I wish it was a different color instead of orange, but it is what it is. So pretty much just drop your iPhone 15 Pro Max in like so. And this is what it is looking like. So if you love the color orange, then you will love the hint of orange on this case. You do get a nice lip for dropping your phone flat down on the table. I just recommend you have a screen protector on your device. Over here you do get nice clicky button for your power button. You get some ridges here for grip protection, some more here. But this is also nice to hold on to because you do not have to worry about this slipping, since this is a hard shell plastic right here. On the bottom here you do get access to your two speakers and your USB-C charging cable, which I'm sure it will plug in with no problem at all, as you can see. Then coming over to this side, you get your grip protection, some more grips. You get your action button for your button. You get a button for your action button, and I love that. You get your volume up and down button, which is nice and clicky and tactile. On the back here, you do get a nice cutout for your camera, so you do not have to worry about placing your camera flat down on the table. This is rubber in the inside and then a hard shell on the outside. So you are pretty much geared to using your USB-C cable with this case. But this is what this case looks like. So now let's bring in the brother to this case, which is the exact same case. It's the Neon Mag Pro MagSafe. Exact same case, except for this has MagSafe. So you get it without MagSafe, or you can have it with MagSafe. But it's still the exact same design, the exact same look, the exact same feel. One is MagSafe, one is not, because some people have to have MagSafe. Some people do not care. And it also doubles as your kickstand. So I'm going to place the iPhone 15 Pro Max in just like so. Like I said, this is just like the other case. So you're going to get nice lip protection. You get your USB-C charging cable at the bottom. Over here you get your power button, nice and clicky. Over here you get your button for your action button. You do get your volume up and down button. On the back here, you get that neon orange design, a nice cutout for your camera, but this has MagSafe capability, and this MagSafe is actually like a kickstand, so you can watch YouTube videos or shows, or you can stand it in this mode for typing. So this one will work with your MagSafe charger because this has MagSafe capability. If you do not have a MagSafe charger, then I recommend you just have your regular USB-C charger, and it will work just like that. But I hope you found this video helpful, and in the description I'll drop a link to where you can pick up both of these. So like I said, you have one with and one without. So I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.